Hello to everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel FB Crypto Guy. Today we're gonna talk about crypto market, particularly focusing on altcoins. Right now I recorded video, it's the 5th February. However, from 2nd February to 3rd February on Sunday, we witnessed one of the strongest capitalization in recent years. So today we're gonna talk about next things, about altcoin capitalization, about historical comparisons, and my personal strategy and advice for viewers. Of course, it's not financial advice, but nevertheless, let's talk about current market situation now. Bitcoin around 98k. It's consolidates near all-time highs. So just to be honest, it's bullish phase. Even like we had a strong capitalization on Sunday, but it was more about Ethereum and altcoins, right? So Bitcoin is in the bullish phase. So let's watch Ethereum chart. So and on 2nd February we dropped to the August 2024 levels. The same price, so here the chart doesn't show it, but on the 2nd February different exchanges we dropped to $2,100 US for Ethereum, and 5 August 2024 it was the same situation. We dropped around 2,200 US, and so what does it mean? Like altcoins capitulated at all, just totally. If we watch for the Bitcoin domination, one of the most important things that I pay attention, because on 2nd February we reached 64% of Bitcoin domination. We it was even higher than in November 2024, around 62%. So what is the scale of capitalization? It was record liquidations in 24 hours via CoinGlass. Around $2.2 billion is the biggest liquidation in the history of crypto market. So if we compare to the historical comparison to the June 2022, it was a lunar crash, Terra Luna crash. We dropped from 20k, around 20k. It was first crash, and it was around $1.6 billion liquidation. Now it's much bigger. Second one, it was in November of 2022. I think you remember, it was FTX collapse. And third capitulation was August 2024. August 2024, as I said, it was around like third capitulation, and the fourth one 2nd February 2025. So just on the Ethereum, we really testing August support levels. And if we watch on the Bitcoin domination, it hit lows since January 2022, even lower than January 2020, because now it's very good time to enter the market, to buy altcoins, to convert your BTC to altcoin. Because to my mind, 2025 has a very big potential for growth about altcoins. You know, like when this market is bullish, everything that you buy, it goes up, it goes to the moon. And market forgives you when you buy something on the bearish market, even if you buy bad projects, if you buy scam projects. So what happens if you buy a really good project, like for example Arbitrum, ZK Sync, layer 0. So let's watch, for example, layer 0. Layer 0, like no, Arbitrum hits like 40 cents low, though it was like the lowest price in his history. Another one, ZK Sync, the project that fundraised around 500 million US dollar, he hits 9 cents. This is the lowest price in his history. To my mind, now it's very good time to enter the market. So let's talk about strategies, what we can do in that case. By the way, before we go to the strategies, let's talk about a little bit Ethereum and Bitcoin price and compare it. For example, on 2020, when the price, how to say, it dropped nearly 0.025. So now it's like the same situation. It hit lows last 4 years. So now we're just going to, how to say, reverse. This time is for reverse, to my mind, because 2025, by coming Donald Trump, it should be really good for crypto market, because we know that US economy is the biggest one in the world and the strongest one right now, even if they have so big competitor as China. So let's talk about strategy. If I had a Bitcoin right now, it's really on the, how to say, bullish phase, in the high price. I will convert part of Bitcoins into altcoins, because we know when the alt season starts, it gives really big profit. So another strategy is buying on the fear, right? So when we buy on the fear, it's averaging strategy. Don't try to catch the bottom. It's not possible to catch the bottom. When the only you can catch bearish market. When you understand that bearish market started, you can start buy bottom, just buy how to say, average price, to use averaging strategy. But when it's like bullish market, it's not a good idea to use averaging strategy. Because, for example, just let's imagine you started to buy Bitcoin in 2021 when it hit it around 70k, and you started to buy by using averaging strategy till 16k, and you wouldn't have any money when you just when Bitcoin hit it 16k. So the best way when you understand that bearish market started, you start to use averaging strategy and trying to catch the bottom. So key principle that we should understand is like avoid deploying all capital at once. It's not a good idea deploying all capital at once, because you can't catch the bottom price, and it can be really big mistake if you catch the bottom price and deploy all capital at once. Second key principle, you keep reserve stable coins for flexibility. So you always should have some stable coins to buy altcoins, and to have opportunity to buy. For example, on 2nd February, it was a really good price. For example, as for me, I bought on after August 2024 at September. If we're comparing my portfolio to the price that I have now, to current portfolio, now I have like 10% loss. It's not big, but I could make much more if I have more stable coins. So, third principle, ignore short-term news and FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Don't listen to news. News is a kind of instrument that manipulator use for manipulation and to make a FUD and to make fear. And after that, panic happens. You start to sell your coins for very cheap, and you can watch what happens when it gives 20x or 30x, like it happened in 2020 in COVID. Do you remember it? Let's watch like Ethereum price, for example. In 2020, it was around $80, around $100 US. So after it, so do you remember this COVID dump? Factories doesn't work, planes didn't fly, nothing, just it was like kind of collapsing the world, and you even couldn't imagine that crypto can grow, but it happened. It gave 20x. It goes to 4K after $100. So don't be panic, don't frustrate, and how to say, long-term strategies pays off even during such drawdowns. So another one. So let's also talk about historical parallels. We talked about historical parallels. I showed you what happened in 2020 with Ethereum, right? And let's talk about historical parallels of Bitcoin domination. All Bitcoin cycles that happen, Bitcoin domination hits 60 or above percent, then it starts to lose the domination. For example, 2020 December, it hit 70%, and it started to lose its domination, and it was like a signal for alt season. Now it's happening the same thing, the same shit, right? The same situation happened in January 17. It was like around, how to say, October 17, when it hits like 63% of domination, that it started to lose his domination to the 37%. So first cycle, if we're talking about domination, when it hit 60% and then it went down, it was in October 17, then it hit around like 37%. Another one in 2020, when it hit 70%, then it hit 40% in December 21. The same situation happening right now. We're hitting domination over 60%. Now when Bitcoin start to lose his domination, it means that alt season is coming up. So we talk about cycles, right? We're talking about cycles. There is like during 2022 and 2024, 4 altcoin capitulation waves, right? First Terra Luna, another second one is FTX crash, third one is August 2024, right? And fourth one is February 2025. So what advice I can give? Of course, it's not financial advice for investors. Focus on 3-6 months horizon, because it's more important to focus on 6, even 12 months horizon, and you can really get profit, much more profit in just long-term strategy investing comparing to the trading. You remember, like how to say, a deal between Warren Buffett and, let's say it's about S&P 500, right? And Warren Buffett wants: avoid panic selling. Don't repeat 2020 mistakes when people sold the Ethereum for nothing, and after they how to say, felt FOMO. For traders, if you're a trader, so to my mind, they should exploit weekend liquidity gaps. When traditional market is closed, not when it's open, it's closed, like during weekends. Also monitoring, they should monitor liquidation clusters for entry points, right? I hope that you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. So subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my X account. See you soon. Thank you.